In my last video, I was supposed to replace the trunk struts on my Supra, and Jimmy has a big wing too. I'm gonna put it all the way up. And it's gonna come. Ah! He ordered the same thing I ordered, which means he only bought one of them. And I only bought one of them. So that makes one complete set. Wait, does yours close by itself?
Yes.
Here, let's see. I think Jimmy's wing is lighter, or maybe mine are just worn out, but... Huh.
Pika.
I was trying to kiss it.
Look at this already.
We don't want to show anybody that, Jimmy. That was just poor install. Who installed it?
If Bears can send me the swan neck, I'd like to test that.
Oh, see, like, you know, because he uses the same mounts. Varys, if you need somebody to test out your swan neck wing, we got a volunteer. This is going to be pretty simple. It's going to cost roughly $80 to $100. We bought one of the struts for 40 bucks, thinking that it was a deal for two, but it was actually just one. So,
Am I
dumb? But we're going to use a tripod to hold up the trunk while we work on this.
Did you get that at Goodwill?
Bro, not everybody can afford a carbon fiber tripod like you, Jimmy. So all you have to do is, there's just gonna be two clips. You're just gonna unclip it with a flathead or a pick tool. As you can see, we're getting it out now. There you go. Haha, we got one. And there's gonna be the same thing on the bottom right here. I should be able to. Haha, two. And then you're gonna do the same to the other side and be able to pull them right off. Let's pray this works. Oh, there you go. Make sure you have your tripod set up.
By the way, this is the sickest way you can mount a rear view camera. It went into this, into here, and into the cab. It took me like 4 hours.
Huh. Wait. Oh, this is the bolt replacements.
Dude, this is so weird how it zooms the other way, because I'm so used to...
Just use the rocker. Which Teenage Ninja Turtle has the two knives?
Side, Raphael.
Raphael! Haha! OEM one, aftermarket one. It looks like the aftermarket one's smaller, but it actually feels a lot more heavy duty than this one. This one feels super light. Let's test it out. That was close. Oh, it threads, no wonder. Oh, I'm done. Oh, should I show them that?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm a dummy. So I thought this was too short and it wasn't able to fit in here. Like you can tell right now, it's kind of too short. It doesn't line up perfectly. You can actually spin the thread to line up the height and pop it in. So, boom. First off, Jimmy, tell them about your trunk experience.
It's not been a good one. Slammed my penis a few times.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You have to play that clip. Yeah, ever since I got the Bear swing, it just doesn't pop up when you do the trunk button. And you have to lift up all the way, push it some more so it stays, and then step back up a little bit, and then okay, it's safe. But then sometimes it still slams down if there's like a little bit of wind. No matter what, it does not go up. But look at what we found out. This is just with one of them.
This is just one strut that we've replaced so far,
Yeah.
not even the other one, but check this out. The bitch is going back up! What the? Dude!
You don't know how satisfying that is for an $80 project,
Alright,
for
we're
it to
halfway
do
in.
something like that, to fix such a problem.
When we install the second one, your roof might the trunk might fly off. That's insane. All right. I've got,
Damn you!
We're gonna go ahead and quickly replace this one. I've already. Oh! Hold it up. Thanks, Jimmy. I forgot about the
Bro. Damn.
Dude, I think this is gonna be insane.
Like, you would think you're done with your car, but to fix these little things
Holy
is
shit.
what really makes it for yourself. You know what I mean? It doesn't satisfy anybody else but you.
Oh
but
shit.
That's the thing. It's just awesome.
Alright, you ready? It takes, oh my god, it takes so much pressure.
It takes force to bring it down.
Yeah. Dude, your trunk's gonna fly. Okay. It's not gonna lift up though. Yeah, but once you get it to a certain point. Holy shit! This is crazy!
Wow. You have the part number for it?
So this strut is from Lift Support Depot. It's called the Strong Arm. I think the part number is 4537. Anybody who has an aftermarket wing, highly suggest you guys get aftermarket struts because my struts are toasted. On my Supra, Jimmy's were pretty toasted. It was still okay, but this is a significant difference.
So worth the money. I know we spend a lot of ridiculous money on like random car parts, but stuff like this, and just to make the car work it's so worth it.
I'm just trying to get your reaction and you never stop me. Here you go, sir.
Okay, let me talk to your crew for a little second. All right, so it's almost the end of the year, and Vin has uploaded every single Sunday for the past year. Let me tell you how incredibly hard that is for someone to do that. And usually there's people with teams of like 20 people, 10 people. I used to work for a company that had like 8 people to try to get out content every single week. And for one man to do it, we got to give him a round of applause because it takes an incredible willpower, strength, just everything. Because YouTube doesn't really pay you back that much money, and for you to do it for the love of the audience, for the love of the grind, it's the most craziest grind. I've been working with YouTube for about 7 years. For someone to upload every single week for their fans and for the audience is very, very respectable, and huge shout out to Vin. So congratulations, buddy. You're almost all the way there.
I can't wait for this year to be over.
Seriously, done.
Oh my god.